What's up, world? We are back at this again. So, our app was rejected for the fourth time a few weeks ago, and today, just a minute, let me get started. Let me share this with my community so they can join. They'll join. But it's a real pleasure to have you here once more, and let's fucking do this. Let's get the app deployed to production. Um, can you see me? Yeah. Let's effing do this, guys. It's fucking that day, and today we'll be getting into the code so that you can see how this is effing done. Uh-huh. I'm sorry about that. Register on Pocketbroker. It's that simple. If you're joining, it's a real pleasure to have you. Let us effing start this. Yeah, so let's begin. If you're here with us, then thanks for joining. Today is the 10th day I'm working on deploying this Beta OS app to the App Store. We have been rejected more than 10 times, which is boring as F. If you're a developer, you know that feeling. Uh, and we are actually going to look at what the error is, and step by step, we are going to actually solve it. Uh, to be honest, I had already picked, so I know what the error is about, and it's still the paywall. We'll look at it together and we'll actually try and come up with a permanent fix. And once that is done, we will publish to the App Store. And funny thing, guys, today we will also be publishing to Play Store. My Play Store account got approved, so we are going to be publishing to App Store and Play Store. So stay tuned and let's get fucking started. Yeah. So to get started, it's quite simple. We'll just let me share my correct screen and we will head over to App Store Connect. Let me fucking refresh this, then we can have a look at it. The app we want to be deploying is Beta OS, the one most recently rejected. So we'll go over to app review, then we'll head over to unresolved issues, and then after we have gotten from uninformed issues, we'll have a look at what Apple sent us. We have been on back and forth with Apple and we are still being rejected, and this is boring. So it was rejected on 6th March 2026, but I have been quite busy working on other clients' projects. Now is when I have the time to actually sit down and fix this fucking issue. Let's get it. So hello, the issue we previously identified still need your attention. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Reply to this message in App Store Connect and let us know. Review environment iPad Pro 11-inch M4 version 1 on March 6th. Guideline performance accurate metadata. We notice that your promotional image to be displayed on the App Store does not sufficiently represent the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win back. Specifically, we found the following issues with the promotional image. You submitted duplicate or identical promotional image for different promoted in-app purchase products, or and or win back offers. Next step, to resolve these issues, please revise the promotional image to ensure it is unique and accurately represent the associated promoted in-app purchase and or win back offer. Learn how to review and edit in-app purchase information in App Store Connect. Discover more best practices from promoting your in-app purchase to the App Store. Then 2.1 information needed. We have started the review of your app, but we are not able to continue because we cannot locate the in-app purchases such as monthly subscription, yearly subscription, and lifetime subscription within the app at this time. Next step, to help us proceed with the review of the app, please reply to this message providing the next steps for locating. Yeah, note that in-app purchases are reviewed in an app provided sandbox. So they're saying that number one, they can't locate my paywall, and number two, that I submitted uh, a duplicate for both in-app purchase and subscriptions, and they aren't duplicate. So what we are going to do, number one, let's start with the paywall. Let us add a manage paywall on the settings screen, and that manage paywall on the settings screen will be actually used to, what will it be fucking used to do? It will be fucking used to update or downgrade your subscription. So on the in-app purchase screen, we are going to have something known as manage. When you click on manage, it shows you the paywall. Is that okay? That's fine on me. So let's get started. I'll be opening let's use VS Code. This my attention of fire. And they also attached a screenshot, so let us do that as well. Let us have a look at that effing screenshot they sent. Man, Apple sometimes can be. Tell me 10 days, 4 rejections later, haven't been approved. That's just normal, guys. So get used to that. You'll be fucking here day and night, and you still won't be approved. You see, so we have two options. So there's manage, where you can restore purchase, and the other one is subscription. So we'll need to update that. Let me close that. Whoever is watching, I'm glad you're here. Thank you for joining. Let's fucking solve this issue and move on to the next. You can say hi in the chats if you want, and I'm really glad you're here. So we have opened VS Code. What we now need to fucking do, while my anti-gravity is loading, we need to let us run our app so we see what we currently have. So I'll just run npx expo start like that. Then while that is being done, it's loading. Our anti-gravity is loading. Let us have a look. I'll need to scan the QR code, so if our camera looks a bit bad, don't worry, we'll be back. Yeah. npx expo start is running. And guys, I noticed something. My apps, I do not push them to GitHub, and that has really costed me. There was another app I was building, and I just gave the agent the ability to execute. It reset the fucking code. So all my progress was lost. I had to start once more from scratch. So I started making the onboarding again, but now all progress that I made was done and removed because of AI. Guys, be careful with this AI. And it was a really nice app, I won't lie. This is taking fucking long. I think I'll just use anti-gravity. So let me just use anti-gravity. I do not like how long this is taking. Anti-gravity. Then we can just head over here. Uh, Close that. Open a new FN window. While a new window is opening, let's give it a few. Haven't used VS Code in a minute. That's why it's taking so long to open. Since I started using anti-gravity, it has been my IDE of choice. But now my subscription is done, and I might actually need VS Code because it has more flexible plans. What? Hmm, let's look for Beta OS over here. Then open it. Then we just delete that. I'm really fucking tired of these guys. Let's just work with anti-gravity. What do you think? Hmm. So here on anti-gravity, we can actually close this folder, then scroll all the way down, open the app, head over to settings. Where the hell is settings? It's under tabs, then it's profile. Then we can scroll down to, let us look for what it's named, the title, profile screen. So text, settings, profile, her subscription here. It is redirecting to, let's have a look, subscription setting, which is not a tab, uh, which it's a page on its own. So it's over here under app here in subscription settings. Yeah. Then what we can do is run npx expo start over here. Then have a look at it. Let's just close this VS Code. I'm really starting to get pissed by these IDEs at the moment. Why the hell are they like this? Let's have a look. Is my VPN on? No, it's not on. What the hell is wrong with this? Let me close that. Then I can just run anti-gravity once more and open it. Or do I need to start my computer? No, that will spoil the stream. We won't do that. Yeah. Please sign in again. Man, this is pissing me off. What the hell? Fuck anti-gravity as well. It's not happening today. If you joined, I'm really glad you're with us on the stream. Maybe you can leave a hi or I can shout you out. But thanks for joining. We are glad you're with us today. So npx expo start. Vivalin, I'm in a live stream. I won't be able to answer your call at the moment. Could you give me a few, please? I'm really sorry. Let me just answer. I'm going to mute you guys shortly. I'm sorry about that, guys. Done now. Let's get back to it. Yeah, at least it has started and it has loaded. As I had said, my subscription has gotten over and my credits are up as well. So we are going to use the cheapest version, which is 3 flash. Yeah. And burning, she was. Yeah. While we are waiting for NPX to load, I hope you've had a wonderful week or a few couple of weeks. I haven't been able to work on it for like 10 days, but it was rejected on March 6th. I was a bit busy, but now we are back at this with full fucking force. And let's fucking do this. So while we're waiting for it to load, what we can do is paste the screenshot over here. So we'll head over to media, then it will ask us to upload. Remember, our media is over here in downloads. Then we can head over to this screenshot and then go all the way over here. Then what we can do is, hello, I'm in Kenya, thanks for asking. How about you? How about you? Which country are you from? I'd love to hear where you're watching from. Vaitun, kindly let me know. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna copy this error, especially this over here, and then you can just copy the whole of that and then give it over to anti-gravity or Gemini and then tell them the following. We have been rejected because App Store could not locate our paywall. What we need to do is add a button asking the user to upgrade or downgrade or cancel their subscription and make them actually work. So we have told them that, and that should be in the subscription settings page. And I have also noted the subscription settings page like restoration does not actually work. Help me fucking sort that out. Thanks. And control A, control C. And then we fucking send it to Gemini. What do you guys think? Hi, I'm glad you're with me. Watching all the way from India. Thanks. I'd love to know your name. What's your name? But thank you for joining the live stream. It really means a lot to have people on my stream. And yeah, at least, and make sure to be joining the stream. If you're new here, my name is Pavin, and I'm on a mission to document my journey while I try to launch my apps on App Store and Play Store. So I have launched several apps on App Store, and what we are doing is actually solving all rejections on live and making sure that we deploy until our app is finally launched. My Play Store was approved recently, so in today's episode, we are going to launch on Play Store and App Store. So I'm really glad you're with me, and yeah, make sure to always stay tuned. Thank you very much. Uh, Thank you for joining. I'd love to know your name. You can either leave it on chat if you're down for it. But yeah, thanks. So let's see what Gemini is doing. So it has made some few edits to the documents. We'll go over them one by one. Let's wait for them to finish doing it, please. Yeah, so the paywall has been edited. The customer center has been edited. I can see also the revenue cut.ts file has been edited. Let's wait for it to completely finish. The errors have been solved. Man, AI makes things simple. I hope you can see. Just check that out. And as I said, one of my apps made its first sale. I'm really happy about that. Maybe I can show you. I made my first sale yesterday. So after after all this canceling, someone finally decided to pay $5 for my app. That has been the happiest I've felt since I started launching apps. And whoever that is, I'm really glad. I'll be going through my database today to find you, and I'll give you a yearly subscription. Let's fucking do that. I don't care. Mm. So it has finished editing. Let's see what it is saying. It has said, uh, I've completed the requested changes to address the App Store rejection and the issues with the subscription setting and purchase restoration. Key improvement: paywall accessibility. Added a prominent upgrade to Pro button in the subscription settings for free tier users. This directly addresses Apple's rejection by making the paywall easily accessible to reviewers and users. Number two, robust restoration logic. Updated the restoration purchases logic to provide clearer feedback. It's it now explicitly checks for active entitlement after restoration and informs the user if no active subscriptions were found rather than just showing a generic success message. Number three, enhanced subscription UI. Redesigned the subscription setting page with a more premium aesthetic, including custom icon container with subtle background, improved status indicators and badges, clearer distinction between free plan and pro status. Uh, then improved paywall experience. Added a select your plan section header to the paywall, ensured that monthly, yearly, and lifetime options are correctly identified and displayed using revenue cut data. Added a best value badge for annual plan and unified the styling to match the app's premium theme. Technical fixes. Implemented show manage subscription in revenue card service to handle platform specific subscription management correctly. Enable debug logging for revenue cut in development mode, which will help us troubleshoot any remaining issues in the sandbox environment by viewing the logs in your terminal. Uh, File modified customer center, paywall, and revenue cut.ts. So what we can do is, let me now scan this and see how it has been updated. Once that is done, we can generate some few images. I'm sorry, the camera will now look a bit twisted, but it's just shortly while I scan this QR code on my phone and have a look at how the app looks. So I'll just load Better OS over there. Then I can scan QR code. Then I scan my QR code like that. Once that is done, it's connecting to the development server. It's loading. Once it's finished loading, we can now continue with the live stream. Thanks, I really appreciate that. Could you kindly tell me your name so I could be calling you by your name instead of just the Vitun Z69? Maybe you can just type it on the chat. But I'm really glad that you actually enjoy this type of content. Make sure to subscribe because we'll be doing this regularly. And we have been doing this for 9 days, so uh, it's really glad that someone has joined me. Thank you. But while we are waiting for that to get done, let's just refresh that again. It's loading the requirements. Let's wait for it to finish. And I have also noted something with my apps. On the notification, let me fix that as well. On the notifications we receive, we still have white backgrounds in the images. Let us do the following. In all notifications, our logo should occupy the full space allocated for logos, or the image the image should match the color of the background. Kindly help me fix those as well. And then I usually tell my AI thanks because we don't know when they will take over the world. And I want to be alive when it does. Yeah. In life. Oh, never. It's still loading, guys. Let's give it a few. It's now at 77%. While that's analyzing, let us wait for it to complete. Then we can proceed. It's at 87%. I actually need to buy a new laptop so that it can stop hanging. Sometimes my laptop hangs, then we get such issues that we can't see what is happening. But if I highlight it like this, we can see that it's at 77.78% as well, and my phone it's at 88%. They don't usually have to match up 100%. Let's wait for it to finish over here. 89%. Investigating notification source. It's now generating an image. What the hell? I already have my own logo. Let's see what it will want to do. Then I'll replace it with my own fucking logo. I don't need its logo. Never ever. 91%. We are almost done, guys. Yeah, guys, so these are the struggles of live streaming. You see, now it has stopped streaming. What the hell? What the hell? I hope it doesn't cancel my stream. At least. I can actually see that it cancelled my camera. That's bad. Let me do this. Hope, yeah, we are back. I am really sorry for that. Yeah, so we are now back and my camera is back on.